Welcome back to Fridge Facts, everybody. Today is March 4th, and this day used to be a massive day for the President of the United States because between 1793 and 1933, 23 United States presidents were inaugurated on March 4th, spanning from George Washington's second inauguration to Franklin D. Roosevelt's first. Due to the 20th Amendment, the date was shifted to January 20th, starting in 1937, making FDR the last president to ever be inaugurated in March. Quite the historical day in history, this March 4th date. I'll see you all back here tomorrow with another Fridge Fact.